Did you know 80% of Dinapur's population is rural? Here's how to cater to their unique needs. First up, survey your tenants. A quick questionnaire on their interests and lifestyle can reveal what amenities they crave. Maybe families want playgrounds and young professionals fancy a co-working space or fitness center. Next, analyze the tenant profile. Understanding demographics like age, family size, and lifestyle helps tailor amenities to their needs, making your property irresistible. Let's brainstorm some amenities. Need some health and wellness options? Think fitness rooms, yoga spaces, or wellness studios. For social and entertainment, consider rooftop decks, courtyards, or community lounges where residents can mingle. And don't forget the functional amenities. Pet-friendly spaces, bike storage, and package lockers are game changers. Plan a calendar of community events, monthly gatherings, wellness programs, and seasonal activities keep the community vibe alive and kicking. Finally, collect feedback and adjust. Post-event surveys and attendance monitoring can guide you to what works best. So, property managers, get out there and make your tenants fall in love with your property. Ready to start?